Hello, welcome to this video editing course. Here, I'm going to walk you through a lot of things you need to know to become a professional video editor, even working with KineMaster, because this app, I personally rate it as the best editing software for smartphone because the interface is incredible and it looks like a complex app like that because people don't really play with KineMaster. People would rather go for InShot and CapCut and all other software. But this interface of this software is even somehow scary to some people. I don't know. But we will be studying a lot of things. But firstly, I would like you to pay attention, pick your pen, pick your book, because you have to jot a lot of things down that will help you throughout the course and throughout your video editing journey. And now I'll be starting with explaining some major features of the software, because to use the software or to edit video on this app you have to be very good if you want to edit if you want to edit your video very well, like you want to have a very good video performance, then you need to at least know 80% of what this app is capable of doing. And now I will just be walking you through some major features, things, elements on the app. Here we have the home icon. The home icon is for you to just come here, search some videos, and one thing about everything you see here, you get to see a lot of video templates and even videos that other creators have done. So you get to, but as a new creator, I will advise you, instead of spending time on TikTok, spending time on YouTube Shorts, it is better for you to just come here and spend your time just watching only. So one thing that helped to renew my mind and renew a lot of things I did then when I was still really using KineMaster, and I was very young in this video editing journey, is that I spend a lot of my time here watching how new video editors are doing things, and you can see a lot of animations even made with this app. So you don't have any excuse. You don't have any excuse that you don't have a laptop. It's just about you just looking at all these things. Just take your time, search through, and now it will put you in a better place of thinking on how do you want to do yours. Probably you want to look for a birthday video, so you can just search a birthday video here and you will see a lot of birthday videos. So that will give you a lot of inspiration on how you want to start your video, or now you want to start your video, right? So that will be all for that. Just to discover a lot of inspiration and all the video I made with KineMaster. So here you can get to sign up your KineMaster so that you can get I have not signed in. I have not signed in my account, but I'm going to sign it soon. I'm going to sign in later. So you can sign in your account here, or register or create an account, and this helps you to, probably you want to use KineMaster in another phone or something, you can get to log in and you can get all the things that you have already uploaded in the KineMaster drive like cloud. You can get to download it and use it in. So I'm going to come here to, sorry about this. So I'm just going to come here. You have create here. So create here, this is the interface. I've already clicked on it. So we are in create, which means create new project. So everything I've been explaining since I'm just trying to make the app really familiar with you, so that you can get to understand everything. One thing about tutorials is just that the things that we get to understand by our experience, probably 2 years experience, 3 years experience. Just normal tutorial is going to explain it in just few seconds or minutes, right? So here we have the settings, and I recommend you do this. Go to settings, come to device performance information. make sure you run this thing as make sure you run it, analyze device performance, because if you do not run this, when you are doing your video editing, your the application is going to be misbehaving on your phone. So I'm going to wait till it finish. Alright, so we are done. So maximum supported video quality, can you see we have 720 pixel here, so that is not a big deal. Now go to set advanced setting and open media browser in full screen. So this is optional, you can decide to open it. I'm going to explain that as we move on, so you can get to make your choice here. You have open audio browser in full screen. I guess I would like that. Save video with up to 60 frames per second. So I'm just going to mark it. Add video, yes, I'm going to mark it. KineMaster is going to ask me video added up to, you can pause the app shutdown, I don't care. So let me just turn it on. Add unlimited video layers, so I love that. So you can get to add a lot of like 50 video elements on your timeline. Right, so that will be all for that. And that's the I think. So here this is where you have all your recent projects, all these recent projects you have been working on. I was working on a project today. It is 14:43. That's 2:43 p.m. So I was working on the video, and the video is all about real estate stuff. So that is all for that. So you can get to modify and you decide how it's going to store all your projects. So now I'm going to just click on the new project icon, create new project. So after clicking on that, so here you have a lot of settings. Even before starting your video project, we have your import, we have your aspect ratio, either 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:3, we have 3:4, 4:5, we have 3:35:1, we have our advanced setting. So we have advanced setting. Here you can get to here where you have import. You can get to import your file. Probably all the videos you want to edit, you can get to import it. So you can get to import it from your phone's downloads or any folder that you have been working on. So we have the advanced setting. So this setting is for display photo display mode. Do you want all the photos, like all the image that you want to import into your video timeline to fit in screen or fill the screen, or the auto? This auto will deal with the AI of this app. So if you had probably a person with a headshot, so it's going to auto fill it that the head is not outside the screen. So it's going to auto set it in, it's going to position it well in the screen. So you can also set, so I'm just going to leave it at auto. And here we have default photo duration. Every image you put into your timeline, probably you have a video of 2 seconds. If you draw that video into your timeline, the video will be 2 seconds in the timeline. But photos are not like that. Photos are very different. So if you put photo, you can decide to just be dragging it all from your screen. You can, in your timeline, you can drag it to 5 seconds, 15 minutes, 3 hours, and all. So I'm going to put it in 5 seconds. So we have default transition duration. This is very, very important because video editors just almost every video editor does not really set their, and it gives us a lot of problem as we move on, because we should have a constant transition duration. And the transition duration is just about how long do you want all the transition you are going to apply in your video timeline. How long do you want, how long duration do you want it to process? Probably you want it to be maximum of I will go for 0.5 seconds or 0.9 or 1 second, but the maximum you can go for the default setting should be 1 second. 1.5 is very is very low if you are working on some motion graphic stuff and you need to have a lot of engaging video. So let us leave it as 1.0, which is 1 second. So now we are going to name our project, and I'm going to call it first video project. Right, so I'm going to click on create. Alright, I want to congratulate you because you have finished the first part of this section now. So the next video will be coming in very soon.